Hi, today I'm running Xiaomi Redmi 12C and I'll show you how to switch off this device. So just to do that, we should press the power key button on the right side of our phone for a few seconds. And if you see that the Google Assistant is activated with the press and hold to the power key and you wanna use only the power off menu by press and hold to the power key, we should first open the settings and then scroll down to the additional settings. Then click to the gesture shortcuts and click to launch Google Assistant. Here click on the switcher to turn off Google Assistant. And now let's just lock the device. Oh, sorry, not lock the device. Let's just try to press and hold the power key. And we can see here the power off menu. So let's just tap twice to power off icon. Wait a second, and after that we can see that our device successfully turned off. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.